Hi, I'm Heather Miller. I would like to introduce you to a truck that'll fit anyone's lifestyle.
The 2020 Ford Ranger XLT, here at Royal Oak Ford.
With an incredible full-size cabin for your convenience. And a 5-foot bed for plenty of storage. With an 8-inch touchscreen panel, rear camera with sensors, voice-activated navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Dual climate controls with Sirius radio with blind spot detection and lane keeping features. So, come and see me, Heather Miller, or any one of our sales associates.
Here at Royal Oak Ford.